Here we are to continue talking about CSS and moving into some exciting background image properties today, and background color, and maybe we'll talk about gradient too. So where are we at this in the syllabus? Looks like we're on lesson number 4 right here, background images, okay? So I'm going to click on the lesson here, and let's start with a review. So there's 3 questions at the top here, and you can answer these on Gradescope. Okay, so you're going to put these your answer on Gradescope. But the question here is, given this markup, can you use flex to arrange the list items, which will normally be in a column, by default? Can you arrange them in a row, right? And then the other thing is align them on the cross axis on the center, okay? Next, given this markup, these anchor tags, I didn't put the full anchor tag in there, but these are 3 anchor tags, right? Imagine this is like a menu or something on a web page, and these will line up horizontally by default because they're inline elements. Can you use flex to arrange them in a column and then align them on the right in the cross axis, okay? Now, last, this doesn't look like much markup, but we have 2 tags here, and one tag is the child of the other. What I want you to do is I want you to make the outer div 500 pixels wide by 500 pixels tall, and then I want you to make the inner div 20 pixels by 20 pixels. And then last, use flex to place the inner div in the center of the outer div. Okay, so it should be in the center vertically and horizontally. Okay, so give that a try. That's the challenge there. Post your answers to Gradescope. Okay, and I guess we'll say thanks for watching, and then we'll continue in the next video.